Okay, good morning students. And today our lesson globe and model of the earth. Our lesson name is globe and model of the earth. This lesson also completed. Today I will revise some important points in this lesson. Second lesson, globe, a model of the earth. A model of the earth. Globe, a model of the earth. Now, in this lesson, keywords, one is latitude. I will tell some keywords in this lesson. Latitude. What is latitude? These latitudes are imaginary lines. These latitudes are imaginary lines that draws from west to east. West to east. Imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east are called latitudes. Here, imaginary lines that are drawn from west to east are called latitudes. Now, longitude. What is the longitude? What is longitude? Here, imaginary lines. Latitudes are imaginary lines. The lines are drawn from west to east. The lines are drawn from west to east. Means and longitude. These lines also imaginary lines only. These lines run from one pole to the another pole, north pole to the south pole. These lines are drawn from north pole to the south pole, north pole to the south pole. These latitudes are drawn from west to east, and longitudes are also imaginary lines. These lines are drawn from north pole to the south pole. North pole to the south pole. What is the international date line? International date line is called 180 degrees north-south line longitude. Here, an international date line means 180 degrees north-south line longitude. North-south line longitude is called as international date line. International 180 degrees north south longitude line longitude is called as international longitude. International longitude. (180 degrees north-south line longitude is called as international longitude. Okay, now, what are the poles? How many poles are there? Two poles. One is the north pole and south pole. One is the north pole and other one is the south pole. And hemisphere. Hemisphere means half of the earth. Okay, north side ఉన్నటువంటి hemisphere, northern hemisphere. Southern side hemisphere is called as a southern hemisphere. And here, upper part of the hemisphere is called as northern hemisphere. Downward of the hemisphere is called as southern hemisphere. This is also one of the keyword. What is the equator? Equator means 0 degrees latitude. Equator means 0 degrees latitude is called as here equator. How many latitudes are there? Total 181 latitudes. Number of longitudes equal to 360 longitudes and 181 latitudes. 181 latitudes. The 0 degrees latitude is called as equator. The equator divides two halves of the earth. Okay na? Divides two equal parts of the earth. That is called as, it is called as equator. It is called as the equator. Now, in this, some improve your learning. One of some questions is given in our textbook. Here, first one is there is an outline map of the world map. Take an outline map. Identify and write the names of continents and oceans. Color the map using appropriate colors. Draw and write the names of the main latitudes. Okay na? ఒక వరల్డ్ అవుట్లైన్ మ్యాప్ తీసుకొని now name the continents and name the oceans. Name the continents and name the oceans using with appropriate colors. Now, how many number of oceans are there? Total 4 oceans are there. Okay na? And number of continents, 7 continents. That 7 continents names and the 4 ocean names are mentioned in the outline of world's outline map, and using appropriate colors. Here world map is there, and mention the different continents, 7 continents names and ocean names. You should write in this outline map. Next, second question, Ramesh says earth is flat. What do you say? Now, these answer. Understand the question. Write this answer is your own words. No problem. First answer is correct. Sentence formation must be correct, and meaning is also correct. Okay, write your own also, no problem. First, understanding the lesson. Read the lesson carefully and understanding the lesson, and write the correct answers with a suitable question. Read the question and write the suitable answer for that question. Now, Ramesh says earth is flat. What do you say? Okay, now Ramesh says earth is flat. Now, did you agree that Ramesh answer? No, we are not agree with Ramesh answer, because so many years back, 400 years back, 4 or 500 years back, the people believes the earth is flat. The people believes the earth is flat. Okay, now the earth believes flat. Okay, now Ferdinand Magellan, he did one experiment. Okay, now for that he proves earth is not a flat. Earth is in the shape of round. If earth is flat means what will happen? When you traveling in one direction, in any direction, he would reach the edge of the earth. Then after we fall down. We fall off into the sky. Now, it is happening? No, it is not happening. Okay, na? It is not happening. Now, see here. If anyone kept traveling in one direction, he would reach the edge of the earth, and from there he would fall off into the sky. Now, it is not happening. Means our earth is not in the shape of flat. Now, how is earth? Earth is in the shape of sphere. And edges of the top and bottom of the earth is some more flat, and middle of the earth is some bulge. Okay, na? Some bulges slightly in the middle of the earth. Okay, na? Bulges slightly of the middle of the earth. Top and bottom of the earth is slightly flat. Okay, now slightly tilted. Actually the earth is not like a perfect sphere, not perfectly round. It is a little pressed at the poles in the north and south and bulges slightly in the middle around a line is called a equator. Okay na, టాప్ అండ్ బాటమ్ నార్త్ పోల్ దగ్గర సౌత్ పోల్ దగ్గర కొంచెం ప్రెస్ అయి ఉంటుంది అండ్ మిడిల్ ఈక్వేటర్ రీజియన్ లో కొంచెం సమ్ ఆఫ్ ద పార్ట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వేటర్ రీజియన్ పార్ట్ ఈజ్ సమ్ స్లైట్లీ బల్జ్డ్, స్లైట్లీ కొంచెం ఉబ్బినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది అనమాట, కొంచెం ఉబ్బినట్టుగా ఉంటుంది. నౌ అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజ్ కలెక్ట్ ద ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ అబౌట్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్ లైక్ కొలంబస్. ఓకేనా, కొలంబస్ లాగా ఎక్స్ప్లోరర్స్ ఎవరెవరు ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళ గురించి ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఇవ్వమని చెప్పారు ఇక్కడ. మార్క్ పోలో, హీ వాజ్ ఇటాలియన్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోరేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏషియా అండ్ చైనా. Exploration of Asia and China. Ferdinand Magellan, he was a Portuguese sailor, first voyage around the world. And Christopher Columbus, discovery of new world. Next, Amerigo Vespucci, America was named after him. Okay na, he was the one of the explorer. వీళ్ళందరూ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశారు ఇక్కడ. వాస్కో డి గామా, discovery of ocean route from Portuguese to the east. He discovered the sea route. Captain James Cook explored Australia. ఆస్ట్రేలియా ఒక కాంటినెంట్ ఉందని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది ఎవరు? జేమ్స్ కుక్. అమెరికా ఉన్నదని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసింది ఎవరు? ఇక్కడ అమెరిగో వెస్పుకి. అండ్ వాస్కో డి గామా, ఈ ఫైండ్ ద సీ రూట్ ఫ్రమ్ పోర్చుగీస్ టు ద ఈస్ట్. ఫెర్డినాండ్ మాజిలాన్, ఫస్ట్ voyage around the world. Now the sun always, next question is, the sun always rises in the east. Find out reason for this. Now the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. ఎర్త్ ఏ విధంగా రొటేట్ చేస్తుంది? ఫ్రమ్ వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్. ఎర్త్ రొటేట్స్ ఆన్ ఇట్స్ యాక్సిస్ ఫ్రమ్ వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్. ఓకేనా, ఫ్రమ్ వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్. ఏ ప్లేస్ దట్ ఈజ్ సిచ్యువేటెడ్ westwards of the given place. See, the earth rotates on its axis from west to east. ఈస్ట్ అండ్ అయిపోయేసరికి నెక్స్ట్ స్టార్ట్ అయ్యేది వెస్ట్ టు ఈస్ట్ కదా. ఫర్ దట్ రీజన్ ద సన్ రైజెస్ ఇన్ ద ఈస్ట్. ఎక్కడ the land of the rising sun is called as, which country is called as the land of rising sun? Japan is the country. It is called as the land of rising sun. Now why do we draw imaginary lines on the globe or map? Here latitudes are drawn from west to east. Now only I told latitudes are drawn from west to east and longitudes are drawn from north pole to the south pole. Now latitudes are, it is a longitudes. We can use the longitudes. We can divide the time zones. ఓకేనా, టైం డిపెండ్ అయ్యేది దేని బట్టి డిపెండ్ అవుతుందంటే లాంగిట్యూడ్స్, అకార్డింగ్ టు ద లాంగిట్యూడ్స్ ఓన్లీ. ఓకేనా, latitudes, temperature zones. And using latitude and longitude we have to find to easily location of the place. టెంపరేచర్ జోన్స్ డిసైడ్ చేసేది ఏంది? లాటిట్యూడ్స్. టైమ్ జోన్స్ డిసైడ్ చేసేది లాంగిట్యూడ్స్. నౌ అండ్ బోత్ that we locate the place, any place we can use the latitudes and longitudes. We locate any place. What is the effort put by scientists and scientists to know about the earth? They found and proved the shape of the earth. Scientists ఏమేం ప్రూవ్ చేశారు ఎర్త్ గురించి? They proved the shape of the, what is the shape of the earth? It is the shape of the earth is in the shape of sphere. The earth is in the shape of sphere. They calculate the place of the earth in the universe. Now, scientists proved our earth position. What is our earth position? From the distance from the sun, the third position. According to the distance, our earth position is third position from the sun. Third position from the sun. According to the distance, our earth position is third position from the sun. Then they drew the imaginary lines on the earth. Okay, now, and scientists draw imaginary lines. One means latitudes and longitudes. According to the latitudes and longitudes, we locate the place our earth easily. They make us know many things about the earth, like revolution and rotation, atmosphere. And also, revolution means the earth revolves around the sun is called as revolution. Rotation means the earth revolves around itself is called as rotation. Okay, and so many definitions is given about the earth. Okay, read this question and answers in this lesson. Okay, bye children.